Set is a collection of unordered. Set is a collection of unordered elements or objects. Collection of unordered elements are what's called as objects. Why we can call it as unordered means, let's say to, that means if you're creating a set and the set is created within a curly braces, open braces and curly braces, each and every element in set is coupled with some comma. For example, if you're creating a set, some s equals to, again it contains any type of element. The set may also contains any type of elements. For example, s equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40, like this. If you can try to displaying these elements, it cannot be displayed in an order. At what order I am creating a set, on same order the set elements are not displayed. You see the set, fine, set is created, then try to display set elements. Let's see the output of S. 10, 20, 30, 40. It's the same order. But sometimes it cannot following the specific order. Okay. I'm giving us some 80, some 200, some 48, some 50 like this. Let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40. Here after 45 displayed, but I'm giving us some 80 here. Let's see. That's why the set is unordered collection of elements. But whereas the tuple, in which order I was given elements, in the same order the output is displayed. Whereas in set and tuple. Whereas in tuple and list. But in set, if you are given the order of, if you are given the elements in some order, that order is not in the same order, the elements are not displayed. That's why the set is called as unordered collection of elements. Let's say I'm giving us some 10, 20, 30, 40, 80, 200, 40, 50. But the elements are displayed as 10, 20, 30, 40, after that 48, 50, 80, 200. That means the set is unordered collection of elements. Once, if the elements are unordered, there is no meaning for accessing the elements of set elements. Yes or not? For example, if the elements are ordered, then we will access some S of 0, some S of 1, and S of 2 like this. But if the set elements are unordered, then there is no meaning to access. If there is no meaning to access the elements of a set, that means there is no meaning to indexes in a sets. Why? Because the sets are unordered collection of elements. If it is a specific order, then we know that what value of S of 0, what value of S of 1, what value of S of 2. You can easily get, we can easily accept the index value at a particular, the value at a particular index if it is order. But sets are unordered, if you can write S of 2, we don't know which element is getting. Yes or not? That's why there is no meaning to set indexes and slicings, all those things. Okay, so that is briefly about what's called as some sets in Python. Okay, so how to creating set? You create a set like this. The elements are displayed like this. The set may contains any type of elements. Clear? And if we can, the set cannot be mutable elements. One more point is the set elements, the set contains only unique elements. Here one more point to remember. The set contains only unique elements. Only the set does not accept duplicates. The set does not accept duplicates. It contains only unique elements. If we can try to place the duplicate elements in a set, it can displace only single time only. For example, if I creating a list, it is actual list 1, 2, 3 is a list. To converting this list as a set, there is a set of 1, 2, 3 to it can display the only unique elements. Let's try to run this one. I can take as for example some list 10, 20, 10, so 20, some 10, 40 like this. You know that this is the list. You know that clearly we know that. Clear? To converting the list into the set, simply I can write some set of L. Okay, let's display this one. Sorry. First execute this one, then this one. 10, 20, 40 is a set. Okay, simple two statements. You're writing a program. Write a program to find out the unique elements in a list. Simply what you can do, write a program to display the unique elements in a list. Take a list, convert the list into a set, then display. Like that, we can get the unique elements in list with the two statements. Write a program to display the unique elements in a list. Okay, we know that list elements. If you want to know the unique elements in list, simply converting the list into a set, then we are getting the list of unique elements. List of unique elements. Clear? That is one more key point you have to remember in a set. Clear? And set object does not support index. Okay, if you can try to indexing, it can display in another way because it is unordered. Clear? That is briefly about the if you can try discarding element, it can also remove it displays in error. Clear? So all those things are some of the key points of which one? Error. Okay, so set operations are, it may be performing set use operator, just like union operator, intersection operator, that is and perform intersection of two sets. Okay, displays common values, that is B intersect A like this. Difference operator A minus B. Okay, it can displace A minus B means the elements contains in A but not B. For example, 1 is displayed, 2 is not there, 3 is not there, 5 is there, 4 is there. So output is 1, 2, 3. If you can perform A minus B, okay, A minus B, the output is 1, 2, 3. Or we can also using A difference of B. We also write A minus B, or we are using A dot difference of B, that is difference operator. Okay, and symmetric difference. The symmetric difference is performing using this operator, cap operator. Same can be accomplished using the method symmetric difference also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so the output is what are symmetric values? 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. Apart from the common, remaining elements are displayed in the symmetric. 1, 2, 3 is not there. 7, 8 is not. 6, 7, 8 is not common. That's why the output is symmetric. We can also use the symmetric difference method also. A dot symmetric difference of B. That means A, apart from the common elements, remaining elements are displayed. There is symmetric difference. These are some of set methods: add, clear, copy, difference, discard, intersection, disjoint, subset, superset, pop, remove, symmetric difference, union, update. All those are called as set operations. Clear? These are some of built-in functions in set, as like list and tuples, length, max, min, sorted, sum. These are all some of the functions of which one? Sets.